Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to explain you everything what you should know about Bitcoin. I hope this will help you to decide if Bitcoin is a good investment for you or rather you should invest your money somewhere else. Before we go ahead, please remember this is not a financial advice and everything here is my private opinion. If you are aware of this, as usual, make a tea, sit down and let's go. So what is the Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the form of digital currency. It's not controlled by any bank or country. It's untraceable and it's safe for investors. People are buying Bitcoin to invest. Lots of experts are predicting that Bitcoin will cost hundreds of thousands in the next 10 years. People are using Bitcoin to sell or buy items. They can send each other Bitcoin from anywhere in the world and the bank has nothing to do with it. Bitcoin is decentralized, which means it's not owned by anyone. There is no such person or institution who can control Bitcoin price. And talking about price, Bitcoin was created in 2009 and cost less than 1 p. In November 10th, 2021, one Bitcoin cost around £55,000 and this was highest price so far. Today, when I'm recording this for you, one Bitcoin cost £34,000. Now, you're probably thinking it's not the best to invest in something what goes up and down in value or price. But if you will think about that, price of properties in UK go up and down as well. Stock market goes up and down. British pound goes up and down basically all the time. And of course, silver and gold as well going up and down. You might think, well, we all know somebody who are invested in properties or gold, but Bitcoin is so new on the market compared, let's say, to silver. Not many people invest in Bitcoin. Also, you can't hear about Bitcoin in TV, so it's probably a scam. Let me tell you who invests millions and millions in Bitcoin. Elon Musk, and by the way, you can pay Bitcoin to buy Tesla. Tyler and Cameron Winkleros, who are they? They start the Facebook together with Mark Zuckerberg. Barclays Bank, Citibank is the fourth largest bank in the US. PayPal, MasterCard, Revolut, Robert Kiyosaki, Max Kaiser, Simon. Even El Salvador has become the first country in the world to officially classify Bitcoin as a legal currency. How do you think they would do that if the Bitcoin was a scam? What good about Bitcoin as well? Bitcoin supply is limited. There is 21 million Bitcoins and that's it. There's no more and won't be anymore. Inflation? Not for Bitcoin. Now let's discuss how to get started with Bitcoin. You can purchase Bitcoin through cryptocurrency exchange. What do I recommend? Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. If you would like, I can make you a movie how to buy first Bitcoin step by step. Let me know in the comment. Now, if you purchase Bitcoin and you are enjoying your investment, that's great. But you might wondering what next. Here is a piece of advice. Consider transferring your Bitcoin to hardware wallet, like Ledger, until you are ready to sell them. Why is this good idea? Wallets offer a unique level of security. Your private keys, which grant access to your Bitcoin, are stored offline, making them nearly impossible to hack. But please remember to keep your private keys in the secure place. What most of the people do with the Bitcoin? Buy and hold. Most of investors simply buy Bitcoin and hold it for an extended period, believing that its value will increase in future. As the price of Bitcoin rise, investors can gain from increase in value or assets. When do they buy or sell? Well, you should always buy in bear's market and sell during bull market. Other words, it's bears and horses. Bears are periods when whole financial market is on downward trend. Investors are pessimistic and expect price to fall. So when everyone cry and stock market going down and they say that Bitcoin is dying, this is when you should buy Bitcoin. Bulls are periods when cryptocurrency and the whole financial market going upward. Investors are confident that price will go up. It's huge optimism. So when you should sell your Bitcoin? Well, you know the best when you need your money. Some people sell when they make 50% profit. Different people might sell when they double it what they invest. So it's really up to you. You can also consider buying Bitcoin for your retirement. or maybe simply buy some Bitcoin for your child. I feel like one day they're going to thank you for doing this. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoy, like, share and leave the comment. Thank you for having me today. Bye.